Hey everybody, it's Mike from Golden Reviews. It was Amazon Prime Day, and these Garmin watches were on sale, pretty good, up to 40% off. So I picked up the Garmin Rugged GPS Instinct. If you guys have seen some of my other videos, you know I like to go camping and hiking. So I picked this up. Main reason, it had GPS, and it has the ability, from what I've read, to upload maps from the Garmin Explorer app. So when I'm hiking, I can actually have the trail on my watch, so I don't have to continually try and look at my phone and kill the battery life of the phone, and the watch will do it. Um, it has the three different types of GPS, three-axis compass, barometric altimeter, and GPS navigation, like I said. So they call that the ABC, where it has altimeter, barometer, and compass. They call those the ABC sensors. It also will do my heart rate. It has some built-in sport modes like any other fitness band. It is rugged, so it's supposed to be military rated for thermal shock and water. 100 meters water rating, water resistant, not waterproof. 14 days in smartwatch mode. If you turn the GPS on, the GPS does kill the battery life immensely. You can only run 16 hours in GPS mode without recharging it. And this is the 45 millimeter size screen. So let's open it up, see what's in here. Watch, cable, and a couple of manuals. Don't need those. The charging cable. I was hoping it was wireless charging. It doesn't look like it with this. Looks like standard Garmin charging. My son has the Vivo Active Garmins. I do like the Garmins themselves. Let's take a peek at what this looks like. And it pops out. Looks pretty nice and big. It did say it had a raised bezel on there, which is nice. So it prevents you from scratching it or holding anything. Here's your heart rate monitor, charging port. Band feels pretty nice. There's a lot of settings on here, so you can fine-tune the adjustment to get it to fit right. Control, menu, ABC, that's going to be your ABC sensors I was talking about. GPS on and off, and set. And it has this little stupid screen cover on here. So I'll have to figure out how this works. This is just an unboxing, and I'll play around with it and be back with a review on the video. Thanks.